We're here at Hanover Messe talking with Randall Brodznik from Red Viking, and let's talk a little bit about what your customers are asking you for in the area of digitalization.
Well, in the area of digitalization, one of the things we're involved in is doing a lot of forward-thinking or forward-looking test systems and/or automation systems, and they need to fit into the solutions or the systems, the plants that they're going into right now. And we're having to go in and do a lot of data collection, looking at what they do have, looking at the systems they have, in a lot of cases, helping them, showing them how they actually make the product and how to make the product better.
So you're able to give them some knowledge from the legacy systems that you've worked on in other facilities and really building up this base of knowledge in manufacturing to help in moving forward in digitalization.
Absolutely, because a number of the customers we have are really coming up from 30 or 40-year-old equipment, and they don't have that information. They're not used to doing it in the past, so we're trying to help them, bring them into the future, and the digitalization is a big part of that.
It's an exciting time for manufacturing. Thank you.
Thank you.